Okay guys, here this is the last pulley we made, and then I saw to make it cage, and I used this plan, and I tried to make some circle, and I shoot to the up for 10 and make it a circle again. Maybe I shoot 5 and make it a sum circle again, and go to 10 and circle again, about 5 and circle again, 100, shoot about 10 and circle again, about 80, shoot about 5, and the last one, circle about 100, about 100, and shoot to the up about 10. Okay, and then let's make it a circle about 75 and extrude it to down about minus 20, and then create a sketch here about 30 and make it offset about 10 and finish it, and then put it up about 10 and start it until you make a hole like this. Okay guys, and the last one we have to fillet off them, and we're gonna use there's 3, and I only use all of them. About 2 and enter, and then so for this 3 and okay. Okay guys, so this is for the last type of pulley. Here it is, and I'm gonna change the material. And I'm gonna show with the aluminum alloy silver. And I flush it, and then this is the last type of pulley we make it. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. See you on the next video guys.